everybody, today is Father's Day and we're going to make a nice yummy fluffy pancake with blueberry sauce and fresh colorful fruits with my two gorgeous girls, Ria and Priya. So if you like this video and recipe, don't forget to subscribe her channel and my channel. So soon we're going to introduce how we're making a nice fluffy pancake and make our daddy happy.
You might think that these are from a normal shop, like frozen from a normal shop. But we actually got these from a blueberry orchard. But we freeze them so we can use them for quite a long time. Now we're gonna boil
Until nice and thick.
That's what that's good. Strawberries, we cut them in half like this, yeah?
Okay,
Like
what
keep the
about
leaves. We couldn't keep.
Okay, now the blueberry sauce is ready.
And it's nice and thick.
And beautiful and sweet, I think. Oh my God, Daddy's coming.
Yeah, these will take this off.
Get out! Get out! We'll give it to you, just don't come in. Don't. Alright, so now we're just gonna pour the beautiful batter in our fluffiness. And then you just,
Egg white.
yeah, egg white. Egg white fluffiness, beautiful.
Then we're going to mix both of them together.
And you're just gonna keep mixing until you it's like all mixed up together. So, you want a big pan, you don't want a small pan, you want a big pan. For Father's Day or Father's Big.
Remember?
Oh yeah. Your always can put butter on the pan. We'll take out the butter small bit. And then you wanna put it in a small pan because it's gonna be more thick. So,
At the same time, we're going to add butter in here.
just like that. Now it's cooking, you gotta make another one.
We're going to transfer this one in here.
Hello, we are back with the pancakes.
Okay, now
Very good.
And then once you know that it is nice and fatty, put sugar on it, and you're gonna just flip it up right here. Just like that. It's just like from Pancake or any cold stone shop you would go to. Yeah, okay. Yeah, any shop that you would normally go to, just looks perfect. Yeah, the professional cafe. The one that can't come in without being cold by the police. Say hi.
Hello.
So while we're just cooking it, our dad tried to come in, so I had to like block him, and then he was like, "But I want water." So then he went back upstairs to edit my mom's cooking videos, and so then I gave him water, and then he was like, "I need more," and so I gave him like his branded one, Enterprise, and I don't know if you've heard of it or not, but he still needed that for photographing. So then he was like, "No, I'm not gonna drink this." And then after that, I gave him his drink bottle from his room. And then he was like, "This is from my room." So then he just gave up on me. And then he was like, "You know what? No, I don't need water now." So yeah, I mean, at least it's gonna have pancakes instead of craving water. So ah. If you need to, you can have another pan. If you want to make it more quick, that pancake is ready. So we have 2 tiny pans, but if you don't have a tiny pan, that's all good. You can do it in a big pan, but we just thought it would be easier if we had like these tiny pans so we could keep them nice and secure. But if you have like a tiny like cookie cutter or something, you could put it in there. All right, now these are still Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Teresa.
No. Sit on your throne.
Hope you like it.
Look, there's a card that Priya made.
Oh.
I couldn't be bothered to do the rest of the brain because I wanted mommy to draw me pictures.
Oh.
The person who got me the card.
Hindi mah.
Hindi and Gujarati. English, Hindi and Gujarati.
One sentence in Gujarati and two.
You
So
like?
what did you write it down, Priya?
I kind of forgot.
Do you want to read? Would you like to read it for today?
I forgot.
You forgot?
It was happy.
उम्मीद है आपका दिन
अच्छा होगा.
अच्छा होगा.
Yes, and in the Gujarati?
I think that one said hope you have a nice day, and that one was
અને મમ્મી
द्वारा
That's it. So what you try to say, Sweeto? Just explain that. Or you want to say that this. So whatever you make, it's so special. Love you.
No,
Then what?
nothing.